Suprabhatam and Namaste. I am Prapti Pargir, the host of today's program.
I, Pranjal Nandkude, welcome you all for the celebration of Guru Purnima, first time on online platform.
That's really good. Prodigy Public School always believes and executes the holistic development of the children.
And in this series of development, one sits actively where we humble ourselves is Guru Purnima.
On this auspicious day, I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Ratna Hariyal Ma'am, to light the lamp and commence the program with Saraswati Pujan.
Light represents God's presence and spells the darkness and illumines. Love and light are the essence of God and therefore our own being and everything that exists.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्तामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करं प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Thank you, sir and madam. We are indeed blessed to have you as a chief guest for this program.
On this occasion, I would like to request Honorable Principal of Prodigy Public School, Mrs. Ratna Hariyal Ma'am, to express her views on Guru Purnima.
A very good morning to all the students of Prodigy Public School. On behalf of all your teachers, first of all, I, Mrs. Ratna Hariyal, Principal, Prodigy Public School, wish you a very happy Guru Purnima. Children, as you all know that this day marks the birth anniversary of the great composer of Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, 4 Vedas and 18 Purans, Maharishi Vedvyas. And today we all remember him and seek his blessings. And at the same time we seek blessings of all the Gurus who have imparted us with lots of knowledge and wisdom, beginning with our parents. Yes, children. Today I also thank you for sending all your videos. Children, on this day we must also be thankful to all the Gurus who have imparted so much of knowledge and wisdom to us right from our birth. And yes, it starts from the mother. The mother is the first Guru, and then we get the teachers in the school and many more people who come in our lives and enable us to live this life happily with pride. We should be thankful to all of them. Children, I am also thankful to you all for sending your videos and showing your gratitude towards your teacher. May God bless all of you. Thank you.
The full moon day means Purnima of Ashad month, known as Guru Purnima. On this day, we worship those who are the architects of our culture. The sage Vyas has written the 5th Ved, that is the Mahabharata, and blessed us with immense knowledge and responsibility.
Dear parents and students and all those who are watching this video, please hold on. We are coming with different type of programs for Guru Purnima celebration from the Prodigy Public School, and you will surely enjoy it. Be with us, stay with us, and encourage our children.
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल, आदरणीय टीचर्स, मैं रतन रायचंदानी सभी स्टूडेंट की ओर से आपको गुरु पूर्णिमा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। कोरोना के चलते हम स्कूल में तो अवेलेबल नहीं हैं, मैं घर से ही आपके चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ। कहते हैं गुरु जलते दीपक के समान होते हैं, जो खुद जलते हैं पर हमें रोशनी देते हैं। कहते हैं गुरु एक राह की तरह होते हैं, जो खुद वही रहते हैं पर हमें अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचा देते हैं। इसलिए तो संत कबीर ने कहा है, गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े, काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने, नानक दियो दिखाए। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Classical dances are evolved in the cultural aspect as Guru Shishya tradition. Let us watch some of these aspects of classical dance on this occasion of Guru Purnima.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
In our culture, music plays an important part. Musical tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara is appreciable. So let us watch some of the instrumental performance by our prodigians.
Go. Good morning all of you. Today I am Om Rahul Karande from class 7C is going to present a performance towards the respect of our teacher. So we will start.
listen more about Guru Purnima and its importance? Here are some of the students who are expressing their views regarding Guru Purnima.
नमो नमः सुप्रभातम् कस्तूरी शिंदे इति मम नामधेयम् अहं सप्तमी कक्षायाः छात्रा भवतां पुरतः गुरोः उपरि किमपि श्रावयामि गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः यः ज्ञानं यच्छति शास्त्राणि शिक्षयति च सः शिक्षकः ऋषिः आचार्यः गुरुः अध्यापकः इति अपि तस्य नामानि भारतवर्षे प्राचीनकालादेव शिक्षकाय अति महत्त्वं प्रदत्तम् तस्य स्थानं राजः अपि उच्यतम् शिक्षकं विना ज्ञानप्राप्तिः न सम्भवा कवयः तम् ईश्वरात् अपि श्रेष्ठः मान्यते अधुना भारतस्य राष्ट्रपतिना श्रेष्ठाः शिक्षकाः पुरस्क्रियन्ते तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
A very good morning to everyone. Today I am Lakshmi Mishra from Standard 7th is here to discuss on the topic Guru Purnima. As we all know, our teachers and the principal are also a form of Guru. So let me start my speech by conveying respect to them. The festival of Guru Purnima is celebrated with much gust and galore throughout India. It is a day when the students or disciples celebrate the role of their Guru in their lives. This festival is celebrated in the month of Ashad according to Hindu calendar on the full moon day. On this day, various speeches are read out from the Gita or any other Puranas, which teaches us that how much Guru is important in our life. One of the lines from such speeches is Yasya Deve Para Bhaktira. Yasya Deve Para Bhaktira Yatha Deve Yatha Guru Tasyatya Kathahita Hi Arthaha Parakshanta Mahatmaha. What this lines means that is one should worship the Guru in the same manner as they worship to the God. The Guru is also known as the other figure of Vishnu, Shiv and Brahma, all the Hindu gods. According to the stories told that exist on the Guru Purnima says that if one want to touch the God, one should respect the Guru. In last only I would tell that Guru is aspiration and Guru is inspiration. So respect them. Happy Guru Purnima to all my respected and honorable teachers and principals. Thank you to all for your precious time.
The nice rangoli drawn on our doorstep always attracts the guest, and the guest is our God. Rangoli represents the welcoming of God. Let us see few rangolis drawn by our prodigians on the occasion of this Guru Purnima.
The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. Thank you is one such prayer among them. Greetings to all. I am here to present vote of thanks to all those who have witnessed this Guru Purnima ceremony as a memorable and successful event. Well, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and an bird's eye for details. Today, we feel proud of our creative, hardworking and dynamic prodigians who have shown their talent, and even the parents who cooperated and contributed a lot for the grand success of this event. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by the team of very motivated and dedicated staff who know their job and are result oriented. On behalf of Prodigy Public School, the management, We wish you all a very happy and prosperous Guru Purnima. We pray for everybody's better health. Thank you for watching this program. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.